Welcome to the Simple Home Life YouTube channel, where my goal is to provide short, easily understandable, and simple videos to help you in maintaining and using your tools and to get you going on your next home project. Here we go. For this project, we're going to be using the Stihl weed trimmer with the 131 motor, but this kind of goes across, or this is applicable to all Stihl trimmers. And so we are going to be installing the string the way that I found to be the easiest. So to start, put the motor on the ground, and there's going to be two tabs, one on either side of the head. Kind of push it in and get the first one started, and then you turn it over, you push the other one, and boom, it pops out pretty easily. So you take it out. If there's any little left, makes it easier, but you'll notice that the arrows are pointed a certain way. So you're going to undo the string. I do about 3 to 5 arm lengths, so 10 to 15 feet, and that's for the bottom and the top. So once you get to that, you're going to hook it into the little clip. I use some wire cutters, and I clip the string. Sometimes it can be a pain, but that shows that it's good sign, strong string that's not going to just break anytime. So you're going to do that again, 10, 15 big twirls. It's 3 to 5 arm lengths. Clip it back into the little slot and cut it off. Once you get done with that, I found, so you can see the arrows, it shows which way the line should go, and that it kind of does a little loop. It plugs in and then goes around. So if you start on the bottom one, because it's got a little clip in it, you're going to stick it in the hole, wind it up real tight, try to keep it even back and forth. And when you get to about 6 or so inches, you're going to want to clip it into that little slot, maybe a little longer, but you can trim that later. Then you are going to go into the top, do the same thing, but on this one there's not really a clip to put the string into, so you'll have to just hold it with your hands when it's, roughly 6 to 9 inches and across from that clip. So we have it, we're holding it, the bottom one is clipped in. You are now going to insert it back into the main head that's attached to the trimmer. So the one that's easiest, the one that doesn't have a clip, stick it in the little slot, because then it will hold it. And then with that bottom one, you can unclip it, slip it into the other slot. Sometimes that can be tight and hard, but if you just work it in there a little bit, then you'll be hands off, which makes it really nice. Line up the pieces going downward into the little holes, the clips, and click it into place. And once it is in there, it is ready to rumble, spins, and then you're ready to go. So thanks again for staying tuned, watching this short video, and hopefully this is helpful for changing the head on your Stihl trimmer. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next one.